Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, of course, and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on edit and tap on this kind of profile picture. As you can see, we've got the opportunity to either take a photo, and after picking this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option and let me tap on this one, for example, and confirm it with this trick icon. And right now, as you can see, we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So let me position it, so just position it like you want to and confirm it with the tick icon, and do it again if you will find the photo which will appear in this circle. And as you can see, this is how our photo will look like after saving. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list, for example, or during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.